In this video, I'll show you how to set up dock for Nintendo Switch 2. Step 1. Unbox the dock. Remove the dock and cables from the box. Place the dock near your TV and a power outlet. Step 2. Connect the AC adapter. Plug the AC adapter into the dock's power port. Connect the other end to a wall outlet. Step 3. Connect the HDMI cable. Plug one end of the HDMI cable into the dock and the other one into your TV. Step 4. Insert the Switch to console. Carefully, this is very important to be careful, place the Switch 2 into the dock. The screen should go dark and the TV should display the home menu. Step 5, you can now test the setup. Make sure the TV shows your Switch 2 output, of course, also very important. If not, check all your cable connections and TV input settings and try again. So that's how you set up your dock with your Nintendo Switch. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments down below and I will be very happy to help you. Ciao!